Welcome to my new module, Procure your very first Azure SQL Data Warehouse. I will share the best practices, do's and don'ts, different options which are best fitted to your business requirement, and finally, some tips and tricks to save cost of Azure SQL Data Warehouse. So stay tuned and let's procure your first Azure SQL Data Warehouse. This is my Azure portal. If you did not register and take the subscription of Azure portal, you could do that by registering yourself. To procure your first SQL data warehouse, type SQL data warehouse. You will land it to this page. Here you have the description of SQL data warehouse and click create. Once you click create, you will land it to this blade where you have to give the details of your SQL data warehouse. So first give your database name. I will give demo by Deepak, and the subscriptions which are available at the time of registration, and if you have different subscription that will also shown up over here. I'm choosing Microsoft Azure sponsorship. Resource group are the collection of resources that share same lifecycle permission and policies. In simple word, I will say it's kind of a directory where you could put similar resources. For example, I have demo for demo purposes, web chatbot for chatbot, demo for summit. I shown this at the Microsoft Tech Summit, and different resource group. After that, we have to select the source of our Azure SQL Data Warehouse, and we have three options. If we want blank database, we could choose blank database from this. Otherwise, if you want to choose sample for your demo purpose, you have option to choose sample, and it will load AdventureWorks data base to your data warehouse. And finally, it is the backup, which in most of cases enterprise choose to migrate their on-prem data from their location to cloud. But for demo purpose, I will choose blank database, and later on we will migrate and ingest data from on-prem to cloud by using SSIS, by using Azure SQL Data Warehouse Factory, and different options. Now we have to procure the server, and for procure the server, give the name. I'm giving demo by Deepak server, and give admin name, password, and finally location. Location is very important because as per government policies, if you are working for specifically in public or government sector, the data of a specific organization could not leave the geographical boundary of that country. Considering that, I'm choosing Canada Central, and if you choose different locations which are available, there is different cost, and click on the select. Next is the performance level, which is the underlying compute power of any data warehouse, and you could have option to choose from 100 to 6000 data warehousing unit. Please note you are also getting the cost per hour, and click on apply. And now you are all set to procure your first Azure SQL Data Warehouse after clicking create. And now your data warehouse is procuring.